Hey guys, another video. Figure since I have nothing else going on, update videos are trying to just getting a little repetitive, and I haven't sat down and welded in quite a bit. I haven't not had a lot of business lately. Everybody's they always wait till spring around here to get everything welded or whatnot. So this was just gonna make a video on me kind of just getting back into TIG welding. I guess I'm gonna do a couple stainless welds and then some more aluminum shit. I do like doing aluminum a lot more than stainless. I don't know, I just find it easier for me. But I'm gonna set up everything here and then kind of walk you guys through how I get started with all of it. Alright, so I got a piece of stainless. I think this is like 3/16, 1/8 inch. I already have it. I'm just gonna do just a few welds just down here, just to do a little practice. Yeah, I'm not going to do any joints or nothing, just to kind of get in the rhythm there, but I have it cleaned. Quick tip, if you ever, even regular mild steel stainless, if you want to clean it up and not use like a grinder or anything, it's hard to clean, you can take a Scotch-Brite, pads. This is just like a 320 grit, I think it is equivalent to. I mean, I know they make more, so if you want it, I mean, it does leave a little bit of scratches, so if you want a finer grit, that's fine. But you take a Scotch-Brite and WD-40 or PB Blaster, and it'll clean whatever material you have right up and kind of give it a little gloss. Like I said, I don't really care about this section here, so there is a little bit of scratches in it, which is fine with me. I don't honestly care. So then after that, I clean it with acetone. I got my 308 rod right here for stainless. I've been making this extra fuel cell for a while now. I just kind of getting back into it, so I just kind of have that clamped up, tighten some of the little gaps. But this will be for sale once I'm done. And then yeah, my helmet, gloves, obviously. Then got a number 12 cup. So I just got this a couple weeks ago. I haven't even used it, so hopefully this fucking works. My last ones, they're glass, so they break stupid easy. So hopefully this will work pretty good. I know some of the cheaper ones, which this is a cheap one, they sometimes don't work how they should. So I'm gonna set my phone up here and just show you guys. Alright, so I got this set up. I already had a little mishap right off the bat. So I'm just gonna run it how it is right now, 85 amps. Let's see what happens here. And let this sit. Cover it. For some reason I find it harder for me to go in a straight line when I actually don't have a line sitting there. But my thumb, it's not terrible. Usually it's easier to weld thicker stuff than thin right off the bat. So I'm just gonna weld a couple more of these and kind of get back in the rhythm here and go from there. Alright, this next one is on aluminum, finishing up this fuel cell. So this will be for like the front fuel cell for a Civic, Tegra, whatever you want to have it. And I just actually have to get the filler spout for it, and it'll actually be done. But see how this goes. I'm using like 3/30 seconds, 40/43, and then it's up to like 120 amps. This is 1/8 inch aluminum. Kind of welded real dirty there. Alright. See if I can find it. See, you got some kind of black soot in there and shit. For the most part, the weld is uniform. This is where we're getting at. No undercut, which is the best part. So I'm just going to continue with this one. Let's set this bastard up. Sticky as chair. That is just dirty, dirty, dirty. I have to figure something out here real quick. Okay, so I switched to a smaller diameter rod, a 16th inch rod. And it seemed to help. That other rod might have been sitting out in the open for a while and just got a bunch of shit into it, which I'm starting to think that's what it was. So that one turned out, shiny wise is what I'm talking about. I mean, it's all a good weld. It ain't gonna leak. I do got a pinhole right there, as you've probably seen, but we'll zap that. But yeah, so this is kind of trying to just get back into practicing a little bit more and start making a few more of these fuel cells, which I rock on my car and works fucking perfect. Do a little no outro here, but yeah, so I finally actually did paint the whole car, the hatch. So yeah, it's like a gloss black, gold flake, and it ends up being, when you have a light on it, you can actually, it's almost like that black pearl, whatever, the OEM 92, 95 CFSI has that little glitter into it when you have a light up to it. Yeah, it didn't come out too bad though. I just did it in my garage. Harbor Freight guns, whatever, but yeah, so I'm waiting for a buddy actually tonight to come over to help me throw most of it back, the rest of it back together, but the front end's kind of all into place besides the lower fenders. I just got them, still got blue tape. So yeah, realistically I just need the PCI side skirts and the car will be good to go for paint wise and shit, besides wet sanding and buffing. That's all I got for you guys. Thanks for watching.